Why shared postcard marketing with NyneCom or NyneCom Systems? Uh, yep, so this is for any potential employees or clients. It's a video to give you a background on the services and why you should choose postcard marketing with us, or why you should use shared postcard marketing in general. Okay, well, our package is 10,000 direct mail pieces to high net worth homeowners in the area code that you are currently in. We basically focus on one or two area codes and shower that area with postcards. We send out 10,000 units monthly. All right. And those are 9 by 12, the big glossies, both sides. Uh, Bright colors, right? Those color schemes. And let's break down why you would want to do share postcard marketing with us. Or why work with us. Well, you get 100% exposure. No envelopes to open, or pages to flip through, or searches required. Meaning the postcard is 9 by 12. It's big as all get out, you know what I'm saying, in your mailbox. If you don't know what that looks like, take out a ruler, put that on a desk, and measure 9 by 12, and you can see how big that is compared to the other pieces that are going to be in people's mailboxes. It's really, really going to stand out. And it's glossy again, both sides. It's shiny, not that dull stuff. All right, and there's no pages to flip through. This is not like Groupon where you're sharing a bunch of space with a bunch of other businesses that are in the same niche or field that you're in. So there's no competition. Once you are the painter of the area, you are the painter of the area with us. There's no competition for you. All right. Uh, the search is required. We don't. You're not waiting for someone to search online for your business. We're putting your business in front of them. All right. Again, this is a big 9 by 12 glossy double side that's hitting their mailbox. It's bigger than anything they got in their mailbox. And we're gonna have several different offers on it, several deals. Like can you imagine your deal being next to the a deal from a pizza restaurant where they're offering 5 slices of pizza or whatever. Just imagine they got their awesome offer and you got your offer beside them, and you offer massages or something like that, or you do roofing or something like that. The offers are going to make this flyer something that the homeowners, when they receive it, they're going to be less, more than likely they will not toss it away because it's going to have several different deals for them. It's going to have someone offering to do roof cleaning, gutter cleaning. It's going to have someone doing a deal with massages. It's going to have those awesome deals for the pizza. It's going to have bowling discounts. And so you see, there's going to be that reason for that postcard to go on the refrigerator as opposed to in the trash can. Uh, Another benefit, a rapid response. You instantly reach local buyers and build relationships in the community. Again, these are homeowners, people with a disposable income. All right. Brilliant color. You see the color wave. It's glossy cardstock, that thick stuff that stands up. All right. And another benefit, the co-op buying power. Since we work as a group, you only pay a fraction of the typical direct mail campaigners price. So you figure at 350 to 1588 a month. With us, we cover everything. We cover the mailing list. We cover the artwork. We cover the printing and postage. Again, your cost is only 350 to 1588. And you see the size of the spaces. Some people like the 1588, the large space. Some people want 795. And these just blocks just designate, you know what I'm saying, the spaces right here. If you want to get creative, you just want the whole upper half of the postcard, just pay the 1588, the 2799, 2794 spaces, and you got that. You got the whole upper row on the postcard. So you can get creative with the spaces, okay? Um Yeah, like I said, the mailing list is included, the artwork is included, and we want to make it as simple as possible. We created this system so we could deliver the systems that actually help businesses make more money by spending less effort and focus more on running their business instead of focusing on advertising. But we didn't stop there. We decided to add some bonuses for anybody that actually sticks with us on a monthly basis. So you're paying a $7.94 monthly at least. We want to throw in these extra services to say thank you, but these are just not some throwaway services. These are services that can actually help grow your business dramatically. Okay, we're throwing that, of course, an AI chatbot. We don't want to say exactly what we would do with the chatbot because depending on what your business is, we could get that chatbot to do several different things, right? And again, these services are services that we can do a one-time setup and we don't have to worry about it. So it's easy for us to set, or it takes us a little bit to set up in the beginning, but after, like, we don't have to tend to it after that. We just maybe a little few minor adjustments, and it should run for you month after month after month after month, and it makes it easiest for us to keep that service running. So we offer these for free on top of the postcard marketing if you come on board for at least $7.94 monthly. All right. The next one is the AI Google review generator, and this does not create Google reviews out of thin air. What it does is help you screen your 5-star reviews from people that you need to give a little bit more customer service to, or you need to uh, help them get to the 5-star. We're not bribing anybody. We're not bribing anybody, but we want to make sure that if anybody has a problem with our business, that we actually do right by them. So if they do not feel fit giving you a 5-star review, it gives you the option as the business owner to tend to that. You know what I'm saying? If you have to do a better service, you have to do a better service, or whatever business you offer. It gives you that option. All right, but it's set up on autopilot. All right. Now we have the Auto AI Google response system. Now, a lot of people do not know that if you have a business and people leave you reviews on Google, it benefits you if you respond to any reviews that you get. It helps your business rank faster and higher. And a lot of people as business owners, they're busy actually running the businesses. Well, guess what? This AI Google response system automatically responds to every review you get. And we can train this Google response system to respond like you would respond to it. We basically go give you a short interview and get some of your responses the way you think, and we put that in the AI, and the AI responds the way you would respond to it. All right, and it's set up automatically. All right, uh, and that's will help your business rank faster on Google My Business, which in turn will start getting you rankings, which will start getting you inbound leads through Google itself. All right, and that part is self-explanatory. And again, we're adding that on free if you're at least on board with at least $7.94 monthly. All right, so you also get a AI social media poster. This is a simple one, but I think it will help your business as well. It's an AI social media poster. So all those 5-star reviews that you'll be getting, this will automatically post these to social media for you. Save you money on getting an employee to do that. Saves you time. You don't even have to think about it. This is going to run in the background for you on autopilot. And of course, another benefit for coming on with us, we give you $100 referral commission. So any business that you got a fellow business owner that you think would enjoy these services, refer them to us. We'll give you $100 discount, or we'll give you $100 rebate, or just send you $100 for sending business our way and helping a fellow business owner you might know. So it's a win-win-win. You get to help a fellow business owner out, and you get to put some money in your pocket as well. All right. And I think that did I cover everything? Let me make sure. This is on the 9x12 Glossy. You know that. We throw in these AI services. These free if you're at least if you're with us for $7.94. The spots look like this. Oh, I did not mention this, and this is not. We don't have this yet, but we plan on adding UpHex to our back end. You don't got to know what that is, but I've simplified what that is. It's an AI powered ad manager where it makes it easy for simple business owners to run ads themselves. And we're adding that platform for you for free. And when I say it makes it simple for you to do it, it comes with the creatives already done. So you don't got to be You don't have to even come up with the ideas. It already has the marketing that is working for other businesses already inside of it. So all you have to do is press like three buttons and it'll start running ads for your business that are already working. No trial, just instant, it's working. And that's coming soon. So we don't got that yet, but that's coming soon. So you jump in, you're grandfathered in, you'll get that for free as well. Um, I'm glad I was able to remember that because that one's gonna be. I think people are really gonna enjoy that part. Yeah. So again, starts at 350, the 794. I suggest we put the 350 up there just to make it because we want as many people as possible to get a chance, opportunity to get on the card. But really, 794 is where you're gonna want to start at least. All right. This is Reggie Pinkston with NyneCom Systems saying easy, and it is.